Hi! To change system colors aka interface colors on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, as a first step we would need to go to our home screen where we would need to hold our finger on any empty place where you can see. So for example, I'll take this area and then just put my finger down and hold it until I'll get to this menu. Here as a next step you can see that at the bottom has appeared some buttons where we are looking for this exact one, which is wallpaper and style. So we would need to click on this button and then here on this page go to this category which is named color palette. Here is it. So click on it to open, and now to get started we would need to of course enable the color palette. You can see it right here. We would need to click on this gray slider on the right edge. And here is it. So here we also got this option which is named apply palette to app icons, which means that also app icons will change its color together with the interface. So now to change the color, here as you can see we got two categories, which is wallpaper colors and basic colors. So wallpaper colors are just colors that you've got on your wallpaper, and here you've got a tone palette based on them. And here you can also see a preview how colors buttons of your system will change based on this exact palette. So here's for example the yellow one. And now if you don't like any of the wallpaper palette and you would like to set one exact color, we would need to switch from the wallpaper colors to basic colors. And here you'd be able to find single colors and dual colors. For example, this pink and brown or blue and purple. Here you can also see the preview on all of these same pictures. So for example, I like this one. And here I'll also enable this feature apply palette to app icons. And after this, to save the changes, simply click on this big button apply at the bottom part of your screen. And this is it. We have successfully changed our color palette. You can also see that all of the applications as well has changed its color based on one of the colors from color palette. And now if we will open, for example, settings, we can see that the default blue color has changed to pink. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.